Hey guys, how's it going? CoderMan here. Today's video, we have a little bit of a treat. I'm driving my buddy Tim's S4.
What's up,
and
guys?
say hi.
How's it going?
It's all stock, but it's actually I've driven it before and it's a lot of fun. So we're gonna head and take it through some back roads and just now kind of hammer on it. I hope you guys like my new house. Not really. That is nice though.
It's only 3 cars, you need more than that.
I know, really. 3 cars in like a 5,000 square foot house.
Yeah. You need the other way around.
Yeah, it's the wrong ratio. Woo! Could be a cop.
Could be.
Might be a cop, might not. Nope, not a cop.
Never know.
It's always a fun game. Is it a cop?
Yep. I don't need to rush to get an exhaust. That's the DSG parts. Yeah.
This isn't even the road.
Okay.
This is the road to the road. But I didn't have this much open lane when I was driving the other car.
Well, you're getting good footage now.
So, you know, I can see why a lot of the YouTuber and car guys get these cars.
Yeah.
This is a very, that's what yeah, because I drove it, what, right after you got it.
Yeah.
And thought that there was going to be an APB on us. Because we do like 80 odd miles.
There's a woman just staring at us like she probably yelled or something. You know these roads over here?
Oh yeah. So this is the only thing you have to watch out for in the weekend is the walkers and runners and stuff.
Yeah.
Like they go through the woods because there's a trail right there for Callahan.
My car definitely feels faster for this seat because you're not expecting it.
Yeah. Well, yeah, because there's no anticipation. It's not like with my car, if I want to get tons of speed out, I have to really mash on the gas.
Yeah. But
It actually holds pretty well.
yeah, it's not too bad.
It's on winter tires right now?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna.
It's on Bridgestone Blizzak WS80s.
Okay.
Which will be great for tonight.
Yeah, it tightens up right there.
Yep. Like, you can tell it's not natural at all.
Right.
But it feels good, I think, other than the numbness.
Ooh, a little back end slide, which is odd in a. It's good. It's a good trick in a all-wheel drive car. Gotcha.
Yep, we got up pretty fast.
So yeah.
Oh, that's a nice road. I like it.
I've never been here before. Visitors visit at their own risk? Where the hell are we? This is gonna be like something from The Shining?
Yeah.
There we go. Let's see where your top speed car is.
Oh. Yeah, you'll start to feel the car like move.
Yeah, you can, that last turn, because it dips back and around,
Yeah.
you can feel the SN1 to slide off to the left. Snow tires aren't helping.
No, not at all. They're definitely softer, so probably get more body roll.
Yeah, a little bit for sure. All right guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know in the comments what you think of this car. Like I mentioned, it's 100% stock, but he has some plans for it this year, so we'll see what happens. Personally, I want to see a tune and an exhaust. So, you know, definitely go ahead and get that done.
Yeah, we'll see.
Army tricks, I'm okay with that. So as always, appreciate you guys checking out the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.